Best niche right now, any specific niches that aren't common. So there's so many good niches. I actually just sent an email out. If you guys are on my email list, you would have seen that. I sent an email out of the best niches. Maybe I can tell you one of those niches. Actually, let me see what it was. Let me just double check what those niches were. Let me find it. Oh, I've got so many fucking things. I mean, one of them was funky bath mats, dream catchers. There was also stationery as well. Some good niches right there that I haven't really mentioned before. Obviously, I mentioned that in that niche list right there. But yeah, I think that makes sense, right? So those aren't particularly common. I would definitely say niche selection is very, very important. But I'd also say like the most thing, just like choose one and get going and get started and get testing. That's the most important thing. Because if you're testing and you're just working and you're continually listing new products, then you'll fucking always do the best. Like you'll always win. You'll always do incredibly well. Okay. So focus on that. I wouldn't necessarily worry too much about which niche is the most important thing in the entire fucking universe. Okay.